In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch model in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. If you've ever wondered how to get faster replies, more in-depth reasoning, or simply pick the version of ChatGPT that best fits your task, this guide is for you. We'll walk through where to find the model selector, what each option means, and how to switch on the fly without interrupting your conversation. Start by opening ChatGPT and entering either a new conversation or any existing chat. On the main interface, look to the top left of your workspace. You'll see the current model name displayed, such as ChatGPT 5.2. That label is your model indicator. If your layout looks a bit different, don't worry. The model name will still be near the top of the chat window, acting as a quick reference for which version you're using. To see all available options, click the small down arrow next to the model name. This opens the model menu, where you'll find a few specialized modes. Auto mode is the balanced default that lets the AI decide how to respond for a good mix of speed and reasoning. It's great for general use when you want dependable results without thinking about fine-tuning. Instant mode prioritizes speed with minimal delay, perfect for rapid back and forth, quick drafting, or when you just need a snappy answer. Thinking mode is designed for complex prompts that benefit from deeper analysis, like multi-step reasoning, intricate planning, or technical explanations. It may take a bit longer, but the trade-off is higher quality, more accurate responses. You may also see legacy models, which are older versions retained for compatibility. They can be useful if you need consistency with a previous workflow, but in most cases, the newer models like 5.2 and above are recommended for better performance. One of the best parts is that you can change models in the middle of any conversation. You're not locked in. If you start in auto for a general query and then realize you need a deeper dive, switch to thinking mode right there. If you're iterating quickly and want instant replies, change to instant mode. The moment you pick a new option, it affects the very next message the AI generates, so you'll immediately feel the difference in speed and depth. Your previous messages stay the same. You're simply guiding how the assistant handles what comes next. And that is all for today. Mastering these model switches is the first step toward using ChatGPT like a professional. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.